Hi everyone, I am Atira Raj from Access Language School. In this video, I am going to share with you some words or idioms that you can use to say thank you. So the first one is thanks. This is an informal way of saying thank you or a friendly way of saying thank you. So you can use it to your friends or to your family members. For example, if someone has passed you something like a pen or a book, you can say thanks or thanks a lot or thanks a ton. Then next is thank you very much. It's a formal way of saying thank you. So you can use it in your workplace if someone has helped you with your work or anything. Then the third one is I'm truly grateful. When someone helps you with your work or when someone lends you some money, you can use this phrase or this idiom. I'm truly grateful to you. Then next one is I can't thank you enough. You can use this phrase when someone has helped you really well. That means if someone has saved your life. For example, your friend met with an accident and now he is out of danger. So to the doctor, you would be saying that, I can't thank you enough, doctor. Okay. The last one is, I appreciate you. This is commonly used in a work environment, like I appreciate your work or I appreciate your help or I appreciate your time, like that. Also, you can use this in emails. So whenever you make use of these phrases, you can add thank you at the ending. Like, I'm truly grateful to you, thank you. I hope these phrases will be useful for you. For more videos, subscribe Access Language School.